Across Central Asia, cooking is deeply tied to tradition, community, and the natural elements. One of the most iconic methods is the use of the tandoor avena clay oven that has shaped the region's cuisine for centuries. Found widely in Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. The tandoor is more than just a cooking tool. It is a symbol of cultural identity and shared heritage. The tandoor is typically a cylindrical oven made from clay, either built into the ground or standing upright. It is heated by burning wood or charcoal inside until the walls absorb and retain intense heat. Once the fire settles, food is placed directly inside, where it cooks quickly and evenly using the stored heat. This method creates a unique environment, extremely hot, enclosed, and infused with a subtle One of the most important uses of the tandoor is baking bread. Traditional round loaves like lepeshka are shaped by hand and pressed onto the inner walls of the oven. The high heat causes the bread to puff and develop a crisp outer layer while remaining soft inside. The slightly smoky flavor and distinctive texture make it a staple at nearly every meal. Meat is another key element of tandoor cooking. Skewers of lamb or beef are lowered into the oven, where the intense heat seals in juices and creates a tender, flavorful result. The vertical cooking method allows fat to drip away, enhancing both taste and texture without the need for heavy seasoning or oil. Beyond its functionality, the tandoor plays an important social role. In many communities, especially in rural areas, families may share a single oven. Baking bread or preparing meals becomes a communal activity, bringing people together. It is common to see neighbors gathering, exchanging stories, and helping one another as food is prepared. The knowledge of building and maintaining a tandoor is often passed down through generations. It requires an understanding of materials, airflow, and temperature control. The clay must be strong enough to withstand repeated heating, and the fire must be managed carefully to achieve the right cooking conditions. Historically, the spread of these clay ovens was influenced by trade and cultural exchange along the Silk Road. As ideas and technologies moved across regions, the tandoor became a shared culinary tool, adapted to local needs, but retaining its core design. Even in modern times, the tandoor remains highly valued. While gas and electric ovens offer convenience, they cannot fully replicate the flavor and texture produced by traditional clay ovens. Many households and restaurants continue to use tandoors to preserve authenticity and maintain a connection to the past. In essence, tandoor and clay ovens represent more than a method of cooking. They embody tradition, craftsmanship, and community. Through fire, earth, and simple ingredients, they continue to create food that is both timeless and deeply meaningful in Central Asian culture.